Hi there, Heather again with Business Cleaning Solutions. For growing businesses looking to hire a cleaning service for the first time, the list of questions they may have can really add up. After all, janitorial is an ongoing service and an important vendor relationship. Your cleaning company not only keeps your business clean, but they can also be an extra set of eyes and ears for things like maintenance needs or matters of security. Keeping a facility clean and safe is a collaborative effort, which is why having trust in your cleaning company is crucial. In this video, we'll detail what you can expect from your cleaning company. Good communication is a great place to start. A well-managed cleaning company will have clear and open communication with its customers. This includes being responsive to inquiries and concerns. As such, you should expect a dedicated customer service person to be available by phone or email. The company should also offer a method to get in touch for after-hours emergencies. At times, language barrier issues can arise with the cleaners. The cleaning company's management needs to be able to relay your messages to their crew. You deserve reliable service. It's fair to expect quality, consistent cleaning each time. This means showing up on time and completing the agreed upon scope of services. If they're not showing up or they're rushing through the cleaning service, this can negatively affect your business. You should expect a high level of cleanliness. Your cleaning company should be using high-quality cleaning products and equipment. The cleaning personnel should be trained and experienced professionals. They should pay attention to detail and be consistent per their training. When vetting a cleaning company, it's fair game to ask about these things. Look for flexible service plans and scheduling options to meet your needs. At Business Cleaning Solutions, we're all about making commercial cleaning easier for our customers. We create custom cleaning plans to meet the unique needs of each client. This can include flexibility in scheduling, service offerings, or other aspects of the service. A good cleaning company should be able to accommodate your requests and find solutions that work for you. Expect professionalism. You should receive timely, respectful rapport with your cleaning company. Your concerns should get addressed in an appropriate manner. Don't accept anything less. The cleaners should dress appropriately and carry identifiable badges. They should maintain clean equipment that's kept in good working order. Janitor's closet should be well organized and clean as well. These are all reasonable expectations. Safety should be prioritized. Focusing on safety is a sign of good management. Any reputable cleaning company should put a focus on safety for both its cleaners and the customer. This includes things like OSHA guidelines on personal protective equipment, chemical storage, and waste disposal. They should have established safety training and procedures. It's never an overreach to ask about these things. Reporting facility issues is important. You need to be informed. It cannot be understated how important communication is. As an example, the cleaners should promptly report facility issues like broken water pipes or acts of vandalism to the building. A responsive cleaning company will teach their cleaners to be proactive. They should notify you when they discover things like broken windows or burned out light bulbs even. Lastly, you should be able to hold your cleaning company accountable for the work they perform. Errors can happen. After all, we're working with people, but you shouldn't have to put up with the same problems over and over again. A responsive cleaning company will take action to ensure repeat incidents are avoided. Lastly, they should take responsibility for any damage or accidents that may occur during the cleaning process. We believe in setting a high bar for commercial cleaning. Since the COVID pandemic, more businesses prioritize cleanliness like never before. The next time you're in the market for cleaning services, take these expectations into consideration. Choose a company that puts the needs of you and your business first. Got a question? Contact our service consultants today.